2006 Jeep Liberty Anniversary Edition has these stupid little metal pieces of band molded around the battery terminals and tightened down, and they look like they're not holding very well. The negative one is loose and slipping. I've tried to tighten it up, so I'm going to replace it with some better high quality ones here. So hopefully this allows me to have a little bit of a binding post, add in my ham radio accessories and things like that down the road. Aftermarket lights for overlanding, off-roading, all that good stuff. Saying my 2006 Jeep Liberty here came with these stupid pre-metal bent band looking things. These things are pretty much worthless. We're going to replace it with the ones I just showed you. Let me clean the terminals off and we'll be right back. So there we go, we got them on. Got everything tightened down. I had to turn them a little bit just so I could get the ratchet in there. This one, not the same direction, but the main thing is keep that protected out of the hood, which I think I have about a ½ inch of space, and that's tight. So there you go. We got upgraded battery clamps with off-road lights and things like that. Add extra lugs for my ham radio gear and whatever else we want to do. Anyways, hope you liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification.